Today, I am teaching you how to learn French easily and quickly. Oh yes, it is possible. I am giving you my technique in 4 steps to learn French easily and quickly. This technique has helped more than 1,000 students learning French easily. This is what you want? So well, you find the perfect video. So without further ado, let's dive into the lesson. So the first step is to know what is your destination. When we learn a language, we all have different goals. We all have different destinations. For example, are you learning French for an exam or a test? Or do you want to learn French to become fluent? Fluency is your destination. So you see here, we all have different destinations. So it's important for you to clearly, strongly identify your destination. And knowing your destination is going to affect your travel plan. What is your travel plan? So let's say that I am in New York and I want to go to San Francisco. If I just jump in my car and start driving, thinking that I'm going to find the quickest and easiest road, oh well, I will probably not be that happy because I am going to drive in so many different directions. I am going to waste time, I'm going to get tired of it, and I might not even reach my destination. So I don't understand why so many people plan to go somewhere, plan to learn French, and they have no idea where they are supposed to go. What should they do? So here, planning is probably the hardest part in the learning process because it's hard for you to know, oh my God, what should I learn first? What should I learn second? This is where I am to help you. So the first thing you need to do is to plan your vocabulary. Vocab, 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 vocab. Vocab is king. Vocabulary is king. Because when you learn a language, you need to know words. You need to know words. Without vocab, you can't speak. So you need to know some vocabulary. So the vocab is the number one thing that you need to focus on and you need to do. In number 2, the second part, you need to work on your grammar. Oh yes, because now that you know some words, you need to put those words in order to make sentences and phrases that make sense. So this is when you need to work on your conjugation, your grammar, your tenses, all that good stuff in number 2. And finally, you need to work on your communication skills. Listening, speaking, writing. You need to listen to some French, you need to write in French, and you need to read in French and speak in French. This is extremely important. So the step number 3 is your time frame. Yes, a time frame. Oui. So when you use a good GPS, you know when you are going to reach your destination. You will reach your destination in 20 minutes. Oh my God, if only we could learn French in 20 minutes. It would be amazing. But you know if you are going to reach your destination in 20 minutes, an hour, 3 hours, and so on. Same for French. You are your GPS because maybe you have your test tomorrow. Tomorrow you have your test, so you don't have a lot of time. And maybe you want to be fluent, I don't know, in 4 months. So you need to speed up the process. What is your time frame? You are the GPS today. Actually, tell me in the comment section box down below. What is your time frame? Maybe you don't have one. Maybe you do have one. Is it good? Is it bad to have one? I personally think that it is good to have a time frame. It doesn't mean that it has to be really rigid and not flexible. Maybe, you have 6 months and maybe in 6 months you're not going to reach your goal, but it's always better to have a goal, to have a time frame rather than just learning just to learn, because you can get lost in this learning, in this French learning process. So make sure that you have a time frame. So the step number 4 is honesty. Yes, honesty. And I'm going to explain why. When you are learning a language, it is you versus you, or you with you. It means that no one else is going to learn the vocab for you. No one else is going to do the exercises for you. No one else is going to do the work for you. This is your brain. You have to do the work. What I can do for you is to make your life easier and make easy French lesson, give you tips on how to improve and learn French, but I still can't learn everything for you. I wish I could give you my fluency through the camera and tomorrow you'll be fluent. I wish I could do that, but I can't. So you have to be honest with yourself. Have you done the work this week? Have you done what you were supposed to do? Have you listened to some French? Have you done your exercises? Yes? No? This is when you have to be honest with yourself. If you don't have time to work, if you miss one day, you miss 1 week, that's okay. What you do, you keep going. You don't stop doing French for a month, for 2 months, and then even a year or two, and then go back. You keep going because life happens. We are all busy with work, with school, with our children, with our family, with our friends. So French is not going to be the number one thing you are going to do, and I understand that, and you should understand that as well. It's just that, follow through your commitment. Okay? So that's why this part is called honesty. And I can assure you, if you follow those 4 steps, you are going to reach your destination easily and quickly. I assure you, you will get there. So guys, I hope this video was useful. Please let me know in the comment section box down below. What is the step that you are going to follow now? What is the step that you were not following and now you're thinking, I'm going to follow that step? Also, if you have any questions, please comment. I want your comments, guys. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel, guys, because you don't want to miss anything. That's it for me, and I see you very soon for another video. Salut!